How to get discount coupons for Home Depot. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get Home Depot discount coupons. Open up your web browser first, and then make sure that you log into homedepot.com. Once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and open up a new tab and search for Home Depot coupon. Hit enter. Now just scroll down and you'll find something called coupons or coupon follow. Tap on this website and you'll be able to see all of the coupon codes related to Home Depot. So just tap on it, the coupon code, and you can find the promo code here. Once you have the code, you could just copy and then go to your Home Depot. So let's just head over to our website. Now you can just go to your cart and then check out. And if you have your promo code while you check out, you should be able to enter the promo code down below. Just scroll down a bit here until you find have a promo code. So just click on the drop down, enter the code here, and if it's valid, you can just click on apply and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.